to find the following intervals. When f of x is greater or less than 0, f of x is the same thing as y. So when y is less than 0, let me dumb this down for you. When it's less than 0, when's y less than 0? Up here or down here? When's y less than 0? Down here. So it'd be below where? The x-axis, okay? So it's less than 0 below the x-axis. So we want to know when the interval's when it's below the x-axis. We want to know when the graph's below the x-axis for this. What do you think this means? Greater than? Above. And then equal to means on. So on or above. On or above the x-axis. Okay, here's my dorky way of teaching this. Okay, my dorky way of teaching it. I'm going to get a... No, I can't use that. I'm going to get my warm-up paper. I want to know when it's below the x-axis. So I want to know when this dash went. So I'm going to cover up the top of the x-axis. Oh my gosh, you can't even see that. Oh my goodness. I need to quit. Just quit here. All right. Let me get a piece of paper. I'm sorry. I need to know when it's below the x-axis. So I'm going to cover up the top of the x-axis. I need to know when it's below the x-axis. So when is the dash line below the x-axis? Okay, I want to know when it's below the x-axis. When does it start being below the x-axis in the x? 1, right? When's it stop being below the x-axis? Or when's it... So from 1 to 11, do you see the dash lines below the x-axis? So my less than 0 will be from 1 to 11. Okay, from 1 to 11. All right, so it's below, it's less than from 1 to 11. On the next one, I want to know when it's greater than. So it went above the x-axis. So I'm going to cover up below, and I'm going to look at above. When is the dash line above the x-axis? When does it start being above? Negative 11, right? When does it stop being above the x-axis? When does it stop being above the x-axis? 1, right? So from negative 11 to 1, it's above the x-axis. Now, negative 11 is going to be a parenthesis because it's not equal to. Now, here's the trick. This is where Raphael's going to get really, really mad at me. It's 1. Now, it says also equal to. Do y'all guess? Do y'all know what I have to do with this when it's equal to? Equal to means it includes it. So what do I think I need to do with the 1? Brace. Good job. I'm only putting a brace because it has an equal to. If it did not have an equal to, I'd just do a parenthesis, okay? But since it has an equal to, I put a brace.